Hey there, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering a question that I get asked a lot. Can you open a Revolut account without a bank account? The short answer is yes, you can. But there are a few things you need to know before you do. In this video, I'm going to cover the following topics. What is Revolut? How to open a Revolut account without a bank account. The benefits of using Revolut. The limitations of using Revolut. My final thoughts. What is Revolut? Revolut is a fintech company that offers a range of financial services, including banking, currency exchange, and investing. It's a popular choice for people who travel or live abroad, as it allows them to easily send and receive money in different currencies. How to open a Revolut account without a bank account. Opening a Revolut account without a bank account is easy. All you need to do is download the Revolut app and sign up for an account. You'll need to provide your name, date of birth, and address. You'll also need to verify your identity by taking a selfie and uploading a photo of your ID. Once you've verified your identity, you'll be able to add money to your account. You can do this by linking your bank account, using a debit or credit card, or by making a bank transfer. The benefits of using Revolut. There are a number of benefits to using Revolut, including no monthly fees. Revolut doesn't charge any monthly fees for its accounts. Low currency exchange rates. Revolut offers competitive currency exchange rates. Easy to use. The Revolut app is easy to use and navigate. Available in many countries. Revolut is available in over 35 countries. Good customer service. Revolut has a good reputation for customer service. The limitations of using Revolut. There are also a few limitations to using Revolut, including not available in all countries. Revolut is not available in all countries. Limited banking features. Revolut doesn't offer all of the features that you would find with a traditional bank account. Not FDIC insured. Revolut is not FDIC insured, so your money is not protected by the U.S. government. My final thoughts. Overall, I think that Revolut is a great option for people who are looking for a convenient and affordable way to manage their money. If you travel or live abroad, or if you just want to have a better way to manage your finances, I highly recommend checking out Revolut. So, can you open a Revolut account without a bank account? Yes, you can. And if you're looking for a convenient and affordable way to manage your money, I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in learning more about Revolut, I encourage you to check out their website or download the app. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.